day everyone, this is my homemade engine. It's a 175cc two-stroke. I've built this using the crank, conrod and piston of a Yamaha DT175. The first time I tried to start the engine, the compression was too high and broke the drill.
Right, go.
I then decided to weld a stand for the engine, and I also welded a 60mm round bar to the existing head to machine out a combustion chamber to lower the compression.